Hi man of skills here, and today I'm going to show you how you can modify a inexpensive rig into a rig to hold for the people that have the fold phones, where it'll actually hold this big huge phone. So I'm going to show you what I did to get this to work. So first off, let me get the phone out. Oh yeah, that's chair right now. All right. So what you do, you're going to get yourself an adjustable um, casing. These holders usually will hold cell phones and tablet. They have the adjustable length, and what I did to get it on here. All right, so this came with a piece at the bottom that was supposed to support the cell phone. So I was like, well, this isn't gonna work for my application. So I completely cut it out, removed it. And when you get the tablet holder, which is what this is, tablet holder, and like I say, large cell phone holder also, um, it's gonna be able to snap apart. So basically what you're gonna do, let's make sure that that's like I want it. Yep, it is. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna install that to the back, and if you could find something to reduce the amount of spacing that's going to be remaining, do so. And then just start to tighten up on it. Tighten, and just tighten up on it. You'll probably have a little play from this piece turning. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little hot glue to it. That way the hot glue will keep this all in one place and not sliding around for when I start to take this thing apart. And like I say, this is a cheaper rig. Yeah, I didn't want to really order a really expensive little handheld rig to be uh, cutting up. I think this should get the job done. So like I said, once everything is sealed down, tighten, you'll actually put this on here, and you may have to actually rotate it or slide it up, and more than likely we'll have to slide it up. So let me go ahead and make my slide adjustments now before I apply the hot glue, because once that glue is on there, it is there to stay. So we'll make adjustments. Let's just go ahead and let's go for the gusto. And let's just take this off, period. We won't need it. We're gonna peel that on off. Goodbye to that. So now that gives me more maneuverability So I'll slide this up, get my bracket, put my bracket on. See if my bracket's where I want it. I think that's gonna be about right there. We'll start at that point, tighten it up a little bit. Bring that down just a tad. All right. Now I'll loosen this up, and I'll see if I can get my phone in. And then I'll check and see what's the alignment like on my camera. Now, I know that it's a little bit more trickier. Matter of fact, let me take the protector off because it's just in the way right now. So I'll close that, and yes, that's exactly where I want it. Everything is squared out and it looks perfect. So now that I'm satisfied with how the phone is set up and where it's set up, and let me do one more thing. Let me check my focal point. Okay. All right. So I like how that's looking right now. And if I need to make further adjustments, I can do so later. But I am satisfied with how it's mounted on there right now. So with that in mind, I'll go ahead and I'll start the gluing process. And this is a cordless glue gun. And I'll run a bead down the side. And then I'll come across here and run another bead down the side. Up on the bottom side. Across the top. And voila. And I'm using a industrial strength glue on it also. So it dries extremely fast. And that'll be pretty much your finished product.